Okay.
Hi, we are using Zen to do our windows. I found them on an internet search after having someone do the back of the house about a year ago that wanted to charge me more for less windows. I found a site called Watchdog, and Zen was rated the #1 window company in the St. Louis area. So I did some research, I looked them up online, looked at several sites for reviews, and everyone was raving about them. It's an easy process. You go online, you fill out a form, how many windows you want done, you send it to them, and within 15-20 minutes they call you, give an estimate. You don't have to waste 3 to 4 hours of your day with other people coming in to try to sell you products that you probably don't even really need. And they've been wonderful. Did my windows today. They put drop cloths down, they clean up, they vacuum. It's meticulous, and my windows look great.
Good. Well, thank you very much. And Sash, what do you think? Were they good?
Yeah.
Were they good, Sash?
Say, Sage, I wasn't grilling out them, were you?
Good, Sash. You were good. Okay.